Well, hey family, happy Wednesday. This is Darlene. I was thinking it was Thursday. Lord have mercy, the way the days be going by so fast, you just never know what day it is. But there was a question came through from JC, and she was asking about the necklaces. So when I make these necklaces and I make them in quantities, like for the upcoming event in September, I'm going to be taking the one bead necklaces with me. Probably the majority of what I take is going to be one bead necklaces, and then the bracelets that I make out of 6 millimeter and 8 millimeter beads, right? So the question was, well, how do you display the necklaces? So when I'm taking necklaces like what I'm taking, the one bead, and I'm making them the different designs in multiples, and I'm making them in multiples because I'm using the same exact bead to make the same exact necklace, almost like when I sell wholesale. So what I generally do is I bought some boxes off of Amazon, and they're 6 inch by 3 inch. And what I did is I painted them. I painted them, made them all jazzy, put pictures and all kind of stuff on them. And what usually happens is I'll put the box in front of whatever, in front of each one of the necklace displays, and that box will be filled with the same exact necklace. Like in this case, I'm just using a bowl because everything is still packed up. So in this case, this necklace is exactly like this necklace. So the box will be, it's a long box, well, 6 by 3, and it'll be filled with as many of these as I can put in that box. So when people like a certain necklace, they can just pull the necklace from they generally pull the necklace from the box, right? So it's packaged up, got the little sticker on the back asking them to, hey, take a picture, share, and then review. And then on the card inside, of course, is that QR code. So they can scan it. It takes them to my link tree. And on the link tree, they can go to all my social media platforms, website, and all that good stuff, right? So this is how I do when I'm selling necklaces like in multiples like this. And in this case, they're only multiples because I'm going to make about 300. I'm probably going to do more than 300. I was thinking that this morning when I was making necklaces. I'm going to probably do more than 300 because they sell well. You know, they just sell well. And I'm thinking it's only because they're simple. They're very simple. They're very easy. And one thing too, though, you guys probably learn, when it's really easy jewelry like this, people usually will put it on at the table and walk away. I don't know if I said this in a video before. I had one lady had on some diamond earrings. They were like huge carats. I mean, some of the most beautiful earrings you ever did see, right? She had on like a flower print, beautiful little dress. She saw a pair of earrings on my table that matched her dress exactly. That woman took them diamond earrings out of her ears and put on my little dango flowered earrings that match her dress exactly. And I like that. That says a lot about the product. And it says a lot that the person absolutely positively like what it is that they're purchasing, right? So they do that a lot with the necklaces. So if it's a simple, easy, cute necklace and their little outfit is cute and all the other kind of stuff, they will put the necklace on at the table. And I'm sure you guys experience that too. But as far as like how I display the necklaces, this is how I display them. I actually have two more displays, the necklace displays. And I don't take pictures of how my displays are because I don't want people copying my display. It's like, you know, everybody, you know, people should use their own imagination to set their table up the way they want to set their table up. I don't think, you know, things should be generic in the sense of duplicating how somebody else set theirs up. And, you know, and I've seen pictures of people's, and you guys do, not you guys particularly, but people set up like really, really nice. And then, you know, like to throw a picture out here on not Amazon, but on Amazon just been so good to me, on Facebook or on YouTube, that I think that would just kind of dilute the creativity for other people in the way that they set up their table. So I don't be displaying my stuff like that, the way I set the table up. But trust and believe, it's set up very simple. It's set up really nice. A lot of times I will have like nice, look, I got these special type of little vases that are real expensive, nice vases. And I'll have flowers in the green flowers in the vases, and I'll set up, and it just looked like really, really, really nice. It is, I set my table up like I set my home up. a lot of color, very boho-ish, just like ethnic, like really, really nice ethnic, but in a sense that it welcomes everybody, right? But anyway, back to this. This is how I set these up, and then I have, like I said, those wood 6 by, I think it's 6 by 3, and I'll put the link down there. So if anybody wanted to buy the wood things, or you could just use real pretty bowls like this, and then have your the product that is here and the bowl just filled with them, and that's how I do it when I'm selling multiple of the necklaces, or even the bracelets. And with the bracelets, I have, of course, the bracelet stands, and I'll do the bracelets pretty much the same way. I don't sell the necklace off of the necklace display until all the necklaces or items are sold out from the container that I have the necklaces or bracelets or whatever in, right? So people just grab, they paying what they paying for. This is what they see. Here it is packaged up, and then going about your business. Pretty much that's how it goes. And a lot of you guys probably know when your table is like extremely busy, that's for me, that's the easiest way to get people served and what they want to buy and all that kind of stuff. And you do got to watch people's hands, because people are real slick and real fast, and a lot of people are teaching and training their children to steal. So you even got to keep an eye on people's kids, right? But anyway, I hope that answers the question. Real simple, easy way of setting up. And this is basically too, like when I don't take the real chunky necklaces and bracelets and that type of stuff, or even when I do take the little simple pieces and I'll take some of the chunkier pieces, I'll have the chunkier pieces just kind of display just kind of like around. If you ever went in, which a lot of you probably have, like um, Neiman and Marcus, Nordstrom's, like the way that they do their setup and stuff. My niece used to work for Nordstrom's. In fact, she retired from Nordstrom's some time back, and ended up going to another retail brand. But a lot of the different things for how to display and how to do that kind of stuff with my table and what I do out when I'm set up, I got from her, because she came from Nordstrom's and she came from displays and doing all that other kind of stuff, right? So a lot of what I use when I'm out and about setting up my table and doing those type of things, I got from her. But anyway, hopefully that information helps. Real simple, real easy. Darling night, Jerry by BDK, and guess what? We'll talk.